All right, so we're doing a 48 range after a power reset or for the F11 error, which is the programming of a new board. We've done a power reset, brought the power back. You can only do this test within the first 5 minutes of repowering it on. You're going to start by holding the far left and far right buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds. To confirm that you're into the service menu, you'll get this chime. All of the lights will be turned on and they'll come to test with your in and then whatever number is for the software version of the range you're working on. For the 48-inch range, the N15 is the software version for the power board. Use the plus symbol button to continue through the test. D06 is the software version for the display board on the 48-inch range. And then we're going to continue forward until we get to probe. So we have probe off. We're going to calibrate the probe by plugging it in. Once it's plugged in, wrap your hand around the end of the probe and you should start to detect the body temperature of your arm or hand. So we're confirmed this is working. We're going to go ahead and unplug it. It should go back to off on the display and we can continue forward. The first test is going to be of the large cavity. S01 is testing the lights. S02 is testing the cooling fan. S03 is testing the convection fan. S04 is making sure that none of the heating elements are on. And then S05 starts the heating element test with the bottom first, the top second, and then the ring element in the back or convection. After that test, you'll move to the oven selector knob. It's going to start on C00. As you turn it clockwise, it should detect you're changing. It's going to be C00 through 09. Back to off. S09 off. Continue forward. This is going to be the temperature knob. It's going to start default. The moment you turn it, it'll start to detect temperature. And you'll spin it all the way until you get to 550. Back to 510 or S10 once you're off. We'll move forward until we get to the small cavity test now, starting again with the light, then to the cooling fan, to the convection fan, bottom heating element, top heating element, ring element or convection, then you will get to your test of the knob for the small cavity. Again, 01 through 09, back to S21 for the small cavity. Second is your temperature knob. And then both lights for both cavities is the final test. It'll come to end to exit back out, left and right buttons, till you come back to the clock display.